Today, we're diving into the world of French meringue. Whether you're hosting a fancy tea party or just want to eat 50 cookies in one sitting, these delicate and airy delights are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth, and all for under $2. So, let's get started. You will need an electric mixer, cream of tartar, castor sugar, large eggs, gel food coloring, a piping bag, and with whatever tip you want to use. Now, let's get started with those egg whites. Crack the egg whites carefully, ensuring no yolks get into the egg whites. Even a tiny bit of yolk can ruin your meringue. If you're using egg whites from a carton, weigh out about 150 grams into a mixing bowl. That's equivalent to 4 large eggs. Now that we have everything separated, let's set it aside and grab our mixer. Today, I'll be using a KitchenAid stand mixer with a whisk attachment. However, if you don't have one, you can always just use a bowl with a hand mixer. Let's start by adding our egg whites to the mixing bowl. Start mixing on a low speed, gradually increasing it to medium. As the egg whites begin to foam, add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar to the egg whites. This helps stabilize the meringue. Once the egg whites start forming soft peaks, slowly add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Now, let's check on our meringue to see how far it's come along. Let's remove the whisk and give it a little stir. It looks like we're just about at the soft stage. So, we're gonna put it back on for another couple minutes till we reach the hard stage. If you want to infuse your meringue with a flavor, here's where you can get creative. Add a few drops of your favorite artificial flavoring to the mixing bowl, such as vanilla, almond, or even a hint of lemon zest can work wonders. Now that our meringue is nice and stiff, let's add some food coloring. Take 2 bowls and separate half of the meringue into each one. Next is choosing the color for the meringue. Today, I'll be going with orange and green. Add a small amount of gel food coloring to your meringue and give it a quick stir. You can get creative with the colors, but a little goes a long way. Stir gently until you achieve your desired shade. Now, grab your piping bag and a tip. Today, I'll be using a star tip. Quick tip. If you push the bag into the piping tip, you don't have to worry about anything pouring out when filling the bag. I'll be using a container to help hold my piping bag while I add the meringue. Note, only fill the bag halfway to avoid any spillage. Now, you can either pipe your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for beautiful shapes, or simply spoon it out for a rustic look. Just remember, the choice is yours. Now that we have our meringues all piped out, let's preheat our oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit and pop our meringues in. A tip for while you bake your meringues, leave the oven door slightly ajar by placing a wooden spoon in the oven door. This helps moisture escape, giving the meringues a crisp texture. Bake for about 1.5 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Once they're done, turn off the oven, crack the door open, and let them cool inside. And there we have it, 50 cookies for under $2. If you like this video, hit that like button and let me know down below, what's your favorite type of cookie for the holidays? As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.